Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I've got a product that promises to deliver both lasting color and moisture. Black Radiance's Perfect Tone Lip Color in Brandywine. If you're looking for a lip color that pairs full coverage with a rich shine, this one may just tick all the boxes. Let's break it down and see how it actually performs. Black Radiance's Perfect Tone Lip Color is marketed as a moisturizing lip product that offers full, lasting coverage with a gorgeous shine. The shade Brandywine specifically is described as being universally flattering, complementing a wide range of skin tones. It's supposed to provide long-lasting hydration, so you can expect a smooth, moisturized feel throughout the day. Now let's talk about my experience using this lipstick. First off, application is a breeze. The formula glides on smoothly, giving me that full coverage it promises right away. I didn't need multiple layers to get that deep, vibrant color. Just one swipe was enough. The texture feels creamy without being overly slick, and there's definitely a noticeable shine without it feeling sticky, which is a big plus. I wore it for several hours, and while the color didn't stay perfectly in place for an entire day, as no lipstick really does, it did last longer than expected, even after drinking and eating. The moisturizing effect really stood out. It didn't dry out my lips, which is something I struggle with often when using full coverage lipsticks. The hydration felt lasting, and my lips remained soft throughout the day. One thing I appreciated was how this shade, Brandywine, truly complements a variety of skin tones. Whether you have fair skin or deeper hues, this rich berry shade seems to work well, enhancing your natural complexion without looking too bold or out of place. It strikes a nice balance between being bold enough to make a statement, yet versatile enough for everyday wear. Of course, nothing is perfect. While the moisturizing aspect is great, if you have extremely dry lips, you may need to prep them first with a lip balm, as the color itself won't smooth over flaky areas. Also, the packaging is fairly simple, not a deal breaker, but it's not exactly luxurious if that's something you're looking for in a lip product. In terms of value for money, at just 0.13 ounces, it's a fairly small tube. That being said, the performance you get from this lipstick, its coverage, shine, and moisturizing formula does make it a good investment for the price. If you're someone who loves bold but wearable lip colors, it's definitely worth checking out. As for comparisons, there are similar moisturizing lipsticks out there, but what sets Black Radiance apart is its deep pigment and the way it blends both hydration and coverage seamlessly. If you're looking for an alternative in a similar price range, brands like Maybelline and Revlon offer lipsticks with comparable formulas, but the color payoff and lasting power here are more consistent. While I didn't have any direct experience with Black Radiance's customer support, the brand is known for offering decent customer service if you need help. They also regularly release new shades, which shows their commitment to staying fresh and relevant in the beauty space. For those on a budget, if you find the price a little steep, there are certainly other affordable options out there that deliver a similar moisturizing effect. But for those who want something with great pigment and that extra shine, Black Radiance is definitely worth considering. To wrap up, this is a solid lip color choice for anyone who wants a rich, hydrating lipstick that delivers both color and comfort. If you're into bold shades that suit a wide variety of skin tones, I'd recommend giving this a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Your thoughts are always appreciated. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.